Imagine a place where gold lines the streets, not as pebbles or dust, but as intricate jewelry and precious artifacts. Welcome to the world's largest indoor gold market. This is not a scene from a fairy tale or a Hollywood movie. This is the reality in the heart of Dubai's commercial district, Deira. Here lies the Dubai Gold Souk, a labyrinth of narrow, winding lanes that's home to hundreds of retailers offering a vast array of gold jewelry, diamonds, and precious stones. The word souk is Arabic for marketplace or bazaar, and this one is a feast for the senses with the scent of exotic spices wafting through the air, the hustle and bustle of traders, and of course the glimmering sight of gold in every direction. The Dubai Gold Souk is steeped in history. It has evolved from a few traders in the 1900s to a large complex boasting over 300 shops today. It's a testament to how Dubai has grown from a small trading port into a global city of commerce and tourism. And the Gold Souk is not just a place to buy gold, it's a place to experience the rich culture and tradition of the Arab world. The souk is located in the heart of Deira, Dubai's commercial business district. This location is no accident. Deira has always been a trading hub, its waterways making it a strategic location for traders from around the world. The Gold Souk, positioned here, has become a central part of Dubai's vibrant trading history. An interesting fact about the Gold Souk is that it is not merely a marketplace for gold. It's also a significant contributor to Dubai's economy. The value of trade here is astronomical, with millions of dollars worth of gold passing through the souk each day. But beyond the numbers, the Gold Souk is a place of beauty and wonder. The intricate designs of the jewelry, the craftsmanship, and the sheer variety of pieces on display are truly remarkable. It's a place where the ancient and the modern meet, where tradition meets innovation, and where visitors can immerse themselves in a truly unique shopping experience. The Dubai Gold Souk with its endless glittering shops is truly a sight to behold. The Gold Souk isn't just a market, it's a testament to Dubai's love affair with gold. Imagine a city within a city, shimmering with the alluring gleam of gold. That's the Gold Souk for you, nestled in the heart of Dubai. With around 300 shops, each filled to the brim with golden treasures, it's nothing short of a golden city. From intricate necklaces to delicate bracelets, from timeless rings to ornate earrings, you'll find every conceivable design and style here. Now you might be wondering about the types of gold sold at the Gold Souk. Well, variety is indeed the spice of life, and the Gold Souk is no exception. You'll find gold in various forms and purities. The most commonly sold are 22 karat and 18 karat gold, but if you are looking for something a little more pure, you can also find 24 karat gold. But what's truly staggering is the sheer volume of gold that is present in the market at any given time. Picture this, approximately 10 tons of gold glittering under one roof. Yes, you heard that right, 10 tons. That's more than the weight of 2 full-grown African elephants. It's a golden spectacle like no other. Now, with all this gold around, you might wonder about the authenticity of the products. But fear not, Dubai's government has strict regulations in place to ensure the purity of the gold sold in the market. Each piece of gold jewelry sold at the Gold Souk goes through rigorous testing and certification. The government's stringent measures ensure that the gold you buy is as pure as it claims to be. In fact, the Gold Souk is one of the few places in the world where you can buy gold with complete confidence. The market's reputation for trust and authenticity is renowned worldwide, making it a destination of choice for gold enthusiasts and investors alike. So, whether you're a gold connoisseur, a souvenir hunter, or simply a traveler intrigued by the allure of gold, the Gold Souk has something for everyone. And remember, in the Gold Souk, you can be sure that all that glitters is indeed gold. Gold isn't just a precious metal here, it's a standard, a benchmark, and a way of life. Every day the heart of Dubai beats to the rhythm of the gold trade. The price of gold isn't just pulled out of thin air, it's determined twice daily by the London gold fixing, an international process that's been in place since the early 20th century. These prices are then displayed prominently in the shops of the Gold Souk, setting the pace for the day's transactions. Imagine a place where people from all walks of life, cultures, and nationalities come together, united by the allure of this precious metal. The Gold Souk is a melting pot of cultures, a testament to the global appeal of gold. Here you'll find Indians hunting for exquisite 22-karat gold jewelry, a staple of their weddings and ceremonies. Middle Eastern visitors often favor 21-karat gold, while European and American tourists typically lean towards 18-karat pieces prized for their subtlety and elegance. The types of gold products vary as much as the customers themselves. From intricate necklaces and bracelets to rings and even gold bars, the variety is almost overwhelming. And it's not just the type of gold that varies, the designs do too, reflecting the diverse cultures that patronize the market. But there's a certain time of the year when the Gold Souk really comes alive. During the Dubai Shopping Festival, a citywide extravaganza, the market buzzes with an electric energy. And let's not forget Eid, a time of celebration where gold gifts symbolize prosperity and blessings. These are the busiest times of the year, with people thronging the market, making the most of the incredible deals and discounts on offer. The Gold Souk is not just a market, it's a spectacle, a cultural phenomenon where gold is more than just a precious metal. It's a symbol of wealth, prosperity, and perhaps most importantly, cultural unity. It's a place where gold transcends its material value, becoming something much more profound. The Gold Souk, where cultures converge and gold transcends mere material value. Enjoying the golden facts so far? Why not take a moment to like the video and leave a comment about your favorite fact or any gold-related experiences you've had? It's always fascinating to hear about the myriad ways in which this precious metal has touched lives around the globe. Maybe you've been to a gold souk yourself, or perhaps you have a cherished piece of gold jewelry that holds a special story. Or it could be that you've got some interesting insights about the world's largest indoor gold market. Whatever your golden story is, we'd love to hear it, so don't hold back. Share your thoughts, your experiences, your questions. This is a space for all things golden. And remember, your voice matters. It's what helps us create content that you love and learn from. So go ahead, hit that like button, leave a comment, and join our gold-loving community. Your golden interactions mean a lot to us. As our golden journey comes to an end, it's time to wrap up with a few final nuggets of information. The Gold Souk in Dubai isn't just a marketplace, but a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage and economic prowess. This dazzling destination, shimmering with countless golden treasures, is a symbol of Dubai's transformation from a small desert town to a global city of opulence and luxury. The souk, an Arabic term for market, is uniquely positioned in Dubai due to the city's strategic location as a global trading hub. With an estimated 10 tons of gold present at the souk at any given time, this place truly embodies the phrase, "all that glitters is gold." Moreover, the Gold Souk isn't just about commerce. It's a place where artistry meets tradition, where every piece of jewelry tells a story, and where the sheer spectacle of gold can leave you in awe. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating journeys into the world's most intriguing places. Until then, keep shining like the gold you are.